Xfinity Error 54 is a playback failure on on-demand content, often appearing as "video cannot be played at this time." This error typically arises from server overloads, app glitches, or network instability, especially during peak streaming times like major sports events. Common causes include server overloads during peak times, app glitches or outdated firmware, and network instability or weak Wi-Fi. First, restart your Xfinity device, such as your TV box, streaming device, or mobile app. Next, ensure your internet speed meets the recommended 25 megabits for HD content by running a speed test. If using Wi-Fi, move closer to the router or switch to a wired connection for more stability. Check the Xfinity app for any reported outages in your area and ensure your Xfinity box and apps are up to date. If Error 54 persists after basic fixes, start by clearing the cache in your Xfinity app or browser. This removes corrupted data that can cause playback issues. Next, open the Xfinity My Account app and perform a system refresh on your Xfinity box. This addresses software glitches that trigger Error 54. For persistent issues, contact Xfinity support through their 24/7 chat service. Their automated troubleshooting can fix server-side problems causing Error 54. To prevent Error 54 in the future, upgrade your internet plan for higher bandwidth. This is crucial when multiple devices are streaming at once, as it ensures stable connections. Keep your streaming devices updated with the latest firmware. This maintains compatibility with Xfinity services and reduces the risk of errors. Finally, improve your network setup by using a wired Ethernet connection or installing a Wi-Fi extender. This strengthens your signal and prevents buffering issues that can lead to Error 54.